forex, what's popping? Gonna do a weekly outlook. Haven't done one of these in a long time, but felt like it. I have a few pairs that I'm looking at that could be good setups. So first one on AUD USD. If we look at the daily, right, we can see that we are in a bullish retracement channel. I guess overall we are bearish, but in a bullish retracement channel right now. What I was looking at, I called multiple of these out in the chat and was just saying what I was looking at. I was looking at price to retrace back to this 4-hour level. It doesn't really look like that's going to happen. It looks like price broke above and it may come back down and retest this. So we may be able to get buys, in here somewhere, and then stop losses right below, and then take it up to the end of the channel. We could take it up to this next level, like whatever, seems to play out. But I'm just going to continue with the momentum. Price is clearly going bullish, clearly making higher lows, had a strong rally last week. So I'm just going to continue with that and continue with the momentum and maybe get a break or retest. Look like it just broke out of the level, this level on the 1 hour. Right now, if it closes like that, then we can get retest and go up. And on EJ, if we look at starting on the daily, look at the daily, we did have a huge breaker structure right here before, right? And we do have a huge level of resistance right here. But we had a super strong push up in the past few days last week. And then as you see, we have this strong resistance level. I think, overall, we might be able to get some good rejections on this entire daily resistance. We already had a strong breaker structure. We could probably get a push down if we do maintain this area up here for a while. Or we could drop from right here, so it could play out like where we get a break and a retest right here, or we could just completely flip and just get a break and a retest down here and just continue to the downside and do that. I wouldn't be surprised at either. Either of them could happen. Who knows what's really going to happen, but I'm just going to let price tell me what it wants to do. But we could see something like that, but if we do catch buys, I would only be taking buys up to this next area up here. Looks better on the 4-hour. This supply zone up here, I would just be taking buys up to there. It could go higher, could not go that high, but that just looks like a good area for me. But I would just be careful of this area up here because of how strong of a resistance it is until price really starts to prove to you where it wants to go. And then on Euro USD, again, kind of the same thing as AUD USD. Overall bearish, but we are in this bullish retracement channel. We see price maintaining higher lows. I don't really see any good selling opportunities. Like, it really have to start making good pushes down for me to start trying to get into sales to take it down to here or here. But what I think is going to happen is we could eventually get a push, break, and retest up here, and then we can continue a higher, take it up to here, take it to the end of the channel, and then that'd be it. Just continue with momentum on the price. I called out the sell or the buys right in this area last week, and came down, maintained again, pushed up, maintains right here, breaks retest. We can see buys to the upside and to this overall level of resistance up here. And then for GJ is kind of the same thing as AU right now, where we have this 1-hour level and we have this 4-hour level. So I think overall, we can see price did have a strong push up. It has this huge level of resistance, but we did maintain a higher low, have a super strong rally last week. And we have this strong level on the 4-hour. So if price comes back down to here and we start getting rejections, I could buy up to here. But on the 1-hour, just like AU to USD, it looks like we have this level that could get broken out and retested, and we could take it up to the same level. So whichever happens first, those will be the trades that I look to take. And then same thing kind of on GN, right? No, not the same thing at all. So if we look on the daily, super strong bearish pushes for a while. For about the last month, super strong bearish pushes, and then we had price fail to create higher highs, just reject, and another strong push down. We have this super strong level right here, support level, now going to be resistance. Price comes up to here and starts rejecting, we could take sells, and they could look something like this, stop loss like that, and then take it down to the levels over here. And that'd be it. Just really, really simple stuff. Continue with momentum. See where price is telling you where it wants to go, and do that. And USD CHF, I don't know. I don't really like this trade anymore. I'm probably not going to do anything with it. But it is a trade that looked kind of good when I first looked at it. We're in this sort of channel right now. Price is overall bullish. I don't think I want to sell because of where we're at. I think we can get reactions right here and then take it farther up. So it could maybe be like right here where we have strong drop, fail to create a higher high, another strong drop, and then we go right here, have sells down to this level, and then look to buy up. Could happen. You just have to see what happens at this level. But if you do take any trades, just be careful where you're at, because we are overall pretty bullish right now. But yeah, that's it. Very, very basic stuff. I mean, this is how your weekly outlook should be. It should be very simple. It should be very easy. It shouldn't be, super complicated. You should be able to mark up a pair in like 30 to 60 seconds and just, have it marked up, and then have the alert set like I have alert set on every single trade, every single pair. And you should be able to do that, man. Just be able to have something super simplistic, and that's it, man. OFX out.